I'm Tom from Matthew's House, and the Harvest Festival 2022 is coming up and we need your help. So we're reaching out to all the schools across Swansea and anyone who can get involved in the Harvest Festival to help us in 3 simple ways. What is Matthew's House, you may ask? Matthew's House is a building, this wonderful building in the heart of the city on the High Street, and we support the most vulnerable people in our city with food, dignity packs, with hygiene stuff, with relationship, friendship, with a choir, with showers and a laundry service, and it's to be shared with anyone who needs it. How can you help us? This harvest, we've got 3 ways. 3 ways that you can get involved. Help us do what we do and support this city. Number 1, you can run a collection. We do dignity packs and food as well, and we would love tins of food, milk, custard, biscuits, tins of fruit, veg, all things like that help us make the wonderful meals that we make. And just to share that we have served 150,000 meals now since we started just over 5 years ago. Number 2 is you can run a little fundraiser, maybe a tea and coffee morning or something on the street with friends, or a sponsored walk or run, and you can do that by doing our Just Giving campaign for the Harvest 2022 season. And the 3rd way then, the way that really helps us be sustainable as a project, keep doing what we do on a daily basis, seeing 300 people a week, helping them with all sorts of other things. You can be a friend, or being a friend of Matthew's House is something as simple as regular giving in 3, 5, £10 a month, something that could be the cost of a coffee and a cake somewhere outside of this place. And we welcome you and your friendship to become a friend at Matthew's House. So can you get involved? That's the challenge. We really, really need you this year. With the cost of living crisis and everything else that's happening, we need all the support we can get. No matter how little you are, how big you are, how long you've lived, or anything like that, you can really make a difference this harvest season. Thank you, and big love from everyone at Matthew's.